All right, last problem. A movie store rents movies for $5 per movie. You have a coupon for $2.50 off. So you have to pay the $5 per movie. That tells me that's my slope, that's my rate of change, and I have $2.50 off. So $5 per movie, $2.50 is where I'm going to start, and I have that amount of money off. So it's actually like a credit on my account. So it's a negative 250. I'm taking that off, taking it away. We also need to extend our graph on this problem. They have -1 on there. I'm going to trace right over that. I'm going to trace over that line. Then I need another line for my negatives. I'm going to label -1, -2, and -3. And on this problem, we are using decimals. -250 is going to be between -2 and -3. So I'm going to plot a point right in the middle. So I'm not counting on the lines, I'm counting in between the lines. My slope is 5. I'm going to go up 5 and over 1. So up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, plot a point. Do it again, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. That's as far as I can go on my graph. I have 3 points, that's good enough. And I'm going to draw my line. Oh, I forgot to write my equation. Backtrack. I need my equation. Y equals 5x minus 250 because I have a $2.50 coupon. So in my table, I have x and y. Remember, I can use the points from the graph, or I can think about it logically. So on your graph, that first point's a little bit easier to understand by looking at the graph. The first point is at -250. So that's where x is 0. So 0, -250. The next point is at 1, +250, which should make some sense. So if I know a movie costs $5, so y equals 5 times 1 minus 250. $5 would be for one movie, but I get to take off 250 because I have a coupon. That means I'm going to be left over with 250. So y equals 250. For two movies, that would be easy to count by fives. 5 times 2, that would make 10, but I get to take off 250 because I have a coupon. 10 minus 250 is 750, which corresponds exactly with my graph. I had 1 +250 and 2 at 750. You have these exact points either on your graph or in your table. You can do the math or you can copy them straight off of the graph. If you have questions, you need to make sure that you highlight or write down or mark somewhere on your paper so that when we have class tomorrow, you can ask those questions. We're going to continue on, which means you need the next paper, which is in the green basket on the shelf. So you have done the red, yellow, and now you're moving on to the green basket on the shelf. But these papers that you have completed in the turn-in, papers that have been completed are going in the turn-in. Do not put them in your binder. You are turning them in. The two papers are being turned in.